In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create and display an album using the Modula Albums extension. Before creating an album, you'll need some galleries. If you haven't made them yet, go to Modula, go to Galleries, and create them first. Now, let's create the album. Head to your WordPress dashboard, go to Modula, click on Albums. Click on the Add New Item button. Give your album a title, then click Select Galleries to choose the ones you want to include. Once you've selected them, hit Insert Galleries and publish the album. Modula Albums also includes a range of settings to customize the look and feel. You can choose grid layout, adjust image size, tweak spacing, and enable features like lightbox, image titles and captions, hover effects, and more. To display your album, you need to go to Pages. Click on Add New. Give your page a title, click the plus block button, and choose Modula Albums from the block list. Pick your album from the drop-down and click Publish. Another option to display your album is by adding the shortcode of your album to the page. Go to your dashboard, go to Modula, click on Albums. Copy the shortcode from the Album Shortcode section. Go to Pages, edit your page. Click on the plus icon and search for the shortcode block. Paste the shortcode of your album. Save your page. Regardless of your publishing method, you will have the same result. That's it. Your album is now live on your site. And that's how easy it is to create and display a beautiful album with Modula Albums.